Welcome back. Now, once the individual confirms their email address, we want them to get access to their downloadable report. However, when they confirm, we want them to be sent to a specific URL. And we want that URL to be the sales page. And that URL is going to go in this box. In this case, we're looking at the GetResponse autoresponder so that the confirmation message will allow them to be sent to the page that we designate. So in this video, we're going to create the sales page that they're going to be sent to once they confirm. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add in a new step. We're going to show that step in the funnel. We're going to call this a new funnel step. And we're going to click Create Funnel Step. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click Sales Page. And then we're going to pick a sales page template. And we're going to pick one of the simple templates. And then we're going to click Edit. We are going to get rid of the subhead line here. We're going to place in our autoplay video. Now, for the sake of our testing, we're going to leave the autoplay off and we're going to leave the controls on. However, when we get ready to go live with the page, we're going to turn our autoplay on and our controls off. So in this case, we're going to click Save, and we're going to click Save again. Now we're going to get rid of a few elements on this page. We're going to get rid of this entire section. We're going to actually get rid of this row. We only want the buy button. So we're even going to get rid of this information. And now we're going to set up our buy button. So we are going to set the action. Now when we set the action, we want the individual then to go to the next step in the funnel. So that's what we're going to do in this step. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click Save, and we're going to click Save again. So we're now going to need to come back out to our editor screen, and we're going to need to add in an order step. So we're going to add a new step. We're going to write in our order page. We're going to go to our sales area, and then we're going to write in our order form. And then we're going to take the simplest order form that we can, and we're going to edit our order form. So we're going to edit our order form. In this case, we're just going to take out some of this data. We're going to edit our form. And we're then going to click Save. And we're going to click Save again. We're going to take out the logo form in this case, and the logo section. I'm going to click Save. We're now ready to create our product. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the product area. I'm going to add in our product. We're going to give our product a name. We're going to set our billing for our default, which is Stripe. We're going to set our price. We're going to indicate that this is a one-time fee. And then we're going to give our product a brief description. We're now going to move over to our fulfillment email. And what we want to do is customize this slightly. Now in this case, we might say something like, so that now is our fulfillment email. We want to make sure now that when the person purchases that we collect their email address. So we're going to select an integration in this case. We're going to select our GetResponse. We're going to do this action on submit, which is add them to a campaign. We're going to add them to a specific list. And then we're going to click Create product. Now what we need to do is we need to create the download page, and we need to come back to our coffee manual product so that it delivers the person to that page once they've purchased. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to create the download page for our product. So we're going to add a new step, and we're going to call this download page for the product, and then we're going to click create. We're going to create the funnel step, and then we are going to then go to create a download page, and we're going to come to a thank you page, and we're going to deliver our content with this template. We're going to edit this page, and we're going to change this from a free download page, so we're going to take out free, and we're going to make some changes. We're going to take out some of the content, and we're going to now click save. So now we're going to set our button action. We're now going to click set action, and we're going to now set this to a specific URL, and this will be our download. Once we do that, we'll then click save. We do want to make sure that this page stays hidden from the search engine, so we are going to make sure that we do that. We do want to make sure that this page stays hidden from the search engines, so we're going to hide this, and we're going to click save. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head back outside to our editing screen. Well, we're going to save first. We're going to head back outside to our editing screen. We now have our download page, and now we're going to go back to our product, which means we will go to our settings, and then we will scroll down to our product. So we'll now go back to our order page. We're going to click on our product. We're then going to edit that product. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that that fulfillment email sends the individual to the page that we created. So we're now going to pick this page. And I'm going to make sure that when they get their fulfillment email, that they are sent to the download page for the coffee manual. We're now going to click Update Product. We can now add in an order confirmation page. We're going to add a new step. We'll then click Funnel Step. We're going to click Order Confirmation. We're now going to click a simple confirmation. We're then going to click Edit. We're then going to edit out some of this content. We're now going to link to our download page from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Settings, and then we're going to link to our order page.